I've been exploring the Youi Car Insurance for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. Youi gives you three main levels of car cover: comprehensive, third-party fire and theft, and third-party property only, so you can match the policy to the age and value of your car instead of paying for extras you do not need. With comprehensive, you get cover for accidental and intentional damage, storms and floods, theft, fire, and even earthquakes, plus benefits like towing, emergency accommodation, personal transport, and optional hire car after theft. Even the lower tiers still include legal liability, so you are covered if you damage someone else's property, and Youi throws in its own roadside assistance with comprehensive, which is a real plus if you drive a lot. On top of that, the site highlights industry recognition in 2026, including a Finder Car Insurer of the Year award and a strong Trustpilot rating, which does help with peace of mind. There is also a useful online tool to get quotes and compare indicative premiums by make and model, so you can get a rough idea of costs before committing. In terms of recent 2026 changes, Youi is clearly leaning into that award story and positioning itself as a strong value player, especially with marketing around real customer savings when switching and a push on U-shaped cover that tailors pricing to your individual risk rather than just a generic profile. The site also puts more emphasis on education, with FAQs and tools like a car insurance calculator and a glossary, which makes it easier for first-time buyers to understand what they are actually paying for. That said, it's not perfect. The comparison table shows that most of the genuinely useful benefits sit behind the comprehensive tier, so if your budget only stretches to basic third-party, you're missing out on things like roadside assistance, accidental damage cover, and emergency accommodation. The fine print reminds you that premiums and savings depend heavily on underwriting and your personal circumstances, which means the big saving examples on the site might not reflect your reality at all. Some people will also find the layered product structure and long list of optional extras confusing, and the fact that you need to dig into the product disclosure statement and target market determination to see all the limitations and exclusions adds extra homework before you can feel fully confident. Overall, if you are in the market for Australian car insurance and you want strong feature-rich comprehensive cover with solid add-ons and a good reputation in 2026, Youi is well worth getting a quote from, as long as you are prepared to compare the actual premium and exclusions against at least one or two other insurers before you lock anything in. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.